In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Amazon Prime Video. Changing your password is an important step to ensure the security of your account, especially if you suspect any unusual activity or simply want to enhance your online safety. Let's get started and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to visit the Prime Video website by navigating to primevideo.com. Once there, log into your account using your current credentials. This is a straightforward process, as similar to accessing any secure service online. Make sure you remember your login details or have them stored safely using a password manager if needed. Once logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides quick access to various settings related to your account. Here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Account and Settings. Click on it to continue. After clicking on Account and Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. On this page, find the section that denotes Edit on Amazon. Click on this link to access your Amazon account settings. It's important to note that this redirect is necessary because Amazon Prime Video is a subsidiary of Amazon, and any password changes need to be handled through the main Amazon account settings. Once you're in your Amazon account settings, look for the option that says Edit. This is what you'll click on to enter the password change interface. Here, you'll be prompted to input your current password as an additional security measure. This step ensures that only the account owner can make changes to sensitive account details. Now comes the part where you can change your password. Enter your new password, making sure it's strong and unique. A good password should